everyone, welcome back in another video. Today date is 6th of October 2022, and in today's video we are going to see database mapping many to many. In our previous video we are discussed about the different kind of mappings are there, like one to one, one to many to one, and many to many. And in today's video we are discussing about the many to many database mapping. So basically, why we need the many to many database mapping? Suppose when we have to create two different kind of a table, that time we have to connect that both table by using a primary key and foreign key. So that time, for getting the data, fetching the data, that time we have to use the particular key for the particular database table. That time, with the help of that key, we can easily get the fetch that data which we are stored within that database or within that table. So many to many relation can give us some flexibility. As we know, one to many and many to one. In that case, that in that scenario, within our many to one scenario, that time there is only two tables are present. That means, suppose we can take one example. Suppose there is a database for the students and their trainer batches. So that time we are creating one table for the students, and that table student can contain a student name, ID, and their marks. And the another table is a trainer table, and the trainer table can contain the trainer ID, trainer name, and batch of that particular students. So these two tables we are connecting with each other by using a mapping. So in many to many mapping, that means many to many. That means that one student can have a many batches, and many students can have a one batch. That is the relation between many to many. The real time example for the many to many is, we know the YouTube channel. So that YouTube channel having a many subscribers. That means that particular channel are having a many subscriber, and single or any one subscriber can subscribe a many channel. That means that is the relation between the many to many. So advantage of many to many is that we are able to get or fetch the data at a multi-level. That means there is not any kind of restriction of a duplicatability. So when we are creating the table regards that time we are creating one table for YouTube channels and another table for the YouTube subscribers. So for connecting between both tables, we are using a many to many relation. That many to many relation can create a one more list table. That list table can contain a primary key for the YouTube channel, and that is the same the foreign key for the particular subscribers. So that is the relation is created between that list table. So that list table can containing their couple of pairs. So in our different methods within our one to many, and many to one, there is not any provision for the duplicability of couples. But within many to many, we can achieve the duplicability of couple. That means each subscriber can subscribe the many channels. That means there is not any kind of restriction for the subscription for one channel by one subscriber. Any subscriber can subscribe the multi channels, and vice versa. Any channel can contain a multiple subscribers. That means the relation, that is the many to many. That is overall about many to many connections. Thank you.